Welcome students. We are doing now exercise 1.5 question number 3. Question number 3 के सारे questions lengthy है और exam point of view are very important. Usually they are asked for 4 marks. इस question के सारे questions exam point of view also very important. और इसके बाद का वीडियो में हम पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन करने जा रहे हैं. अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि आपको अगले नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहेंगे. इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 1.5 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 6 क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चंस वी डिड इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, जिसका आपको लिंक इस वीडियो में दिया है. So let us start with question number exercise 1.5 question number 3 6 sub question. Sec inverse of this is equal to m and we show that second order derivative is equal to 0. So sec inverse of this expression is equal to m. So we can write the whole expression or the whole bracket is equal to sec of m. So let us start with this. Therefore 7x cube minus 5y cube is equal to upon 7x cube plus 5y cube, that is equal to sec of m. Now variable is not there, that means the sec of m is constant. So let us introduce some another constant, say k. 7x cube minus 5y cube upon 7x cube plus 5y cube is equal to k upon 1. Now we use componendo dividendo, that is a upon b is equal to c upon d. So a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. So componendo dividendo, so here we will write a upon b is equal to c upon d implies a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. So we do that. 7x cube minus 5y cube plus 7x cube 5y cube, that is a plus b upon a minus b. 7x cube 5y cube minus 7x cube plus 5y cube. Right hand side will be k plus 1 upon k minus 1. Now clearly this plus 5y cube and minus 5y cube is getting cancelled. अभी 7x cube और ये minus 7x cube will get cancelled. Minus of 5y cube it is and minus of 5y cube. So this gives us minus 10y cube in the denominator. 7x cube and 7x cube is 14x cube in the numerator, which is equal to k plus 1 k minus 1. We can reduce it. Reduce करेंगे तो 7x cube minus of 7x cube upon 5y cube is equal to k plus 1 k minus 1. We'll take cross multiplication. Minus 7x cube, we can denote it by 1. This we denote it by 1. 7x cube is equal to 5y cube into cross multiplication k plus 1 k minus 1. Differentiate it with respect to x. इसको हम differentiate करेंगे with respect to x, so that minus 7 derivative of x cube 3x square, right hand side 5y cube y square into dy by dx, that is derivative of y cube. So derivative of, see, phi is constant, y cube derivative. So derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx, that is derivative of y cube with respect to x. This k plus 1, k minus 1 is as it is constant. We can cancel these 3 from either side, and this will be minus 7x square. Right hand side is 5y square dy by dx into k plus 1, k minus 1. From this k plus 1, k minus 1 is this minus 7x cube upon 5y cube. This we substitute from 1. यहाँ से हम substitute करेंगे k plus 1, k minus 1 is this. Cancel this 5, cancel this minus 7. Then what is left? X square is equal to y square into dy by dx into this x cube upon y cube. Now this y cube is getting cancelled, sorry, y square is getting cancelled, x square is getting cancelled, minus sign is there, this minus sign again will get cancelled, so that here it is x left, one is equal to x upon y is left, minus sign is getting cancelled, dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y upon x. So we will be getting derivative dy by dx, first order derivative, that is equal to y upon x. So here we are getting derivative dy by dx is equal to y upon x. अभी हमको second order derivative find करना है. So you always keep in mind, wherever first order derivative dy by dx is y upon x, second order derivative always comes 0. So we'll prove that second order derivative, we'll find second order derivative. So d square y by dx square is equal to d dx of dy by dx, and we know dy by dx is this y upon x, so it is d dx of y upon x. Now derivative u upon v, v derivative of u minus u derivative of v, that is quotient rule we use. Here we use quotient rule, x square, x into derivative dy by dx, y into derivative of x is 1. This is, so d square y by dx square is equal to x into this derivative dy by dx, which is what, y upon x. अभी ये y upon x है, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, माइनस y अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, न्यूमरेटर हमको 0 आएगा, y minus y is 0. As numerator is 0, so this complete derivative will be 0. So very interesting question. We are getting second order derivative is equal to 0. So keep in mind, wherever first order derivative is y upon x, always second order derivative is 0. Seventh sub question, इसमें 4x square minus 1 y2, 4x y1. So y1 is first order derivative and y2 is what, second order derivative. y1 is dy by dx and y2 is d square y by dx square. So this is a given expression. आपको differentiate करना है इसको with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x this expression. Differentiating with respect to x, 2 times y1, that is first order derivative, and you know derivative of root fx, 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash of x. What is derivative of root fx? d dx of root fx, which is 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash of x, मतलब इसका डेरिवेटिव. लुक एट दिस, x प्लस 1 का डेरिवेटिव 1 ही होगा. 1 अपॉन 2 रूट ऑफ ओनली x प्लस 1. इसको हमने 2 कांस्टेंट, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y इज y1, और इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन 2 रूट fx इंटू एफ डैश ऑफ x. तो एफ डैश ऑफ x मतलब इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 आएगा, प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 रूट ऑफ x माइनस 1, और इंटू इसका डेरिवेटिव वापस 1 आएगा. Therefore this 2 in the denominator take here, 4y1 is equal to, अभी हमको यहाँ पे जो लेफ्ट है रूट ऑफ x प्लस 1 रूट ऑफ x माइनस 1, इसका हमको एलसीएम लेना है. सो दैट इज रूट ऑफ x प्लस 1 इंटू रूट ऑफ x माइनस 1. ये रूट x माइनस 1 विल बी हियर एंड प्लस रूट x plus 1 will be here. Now simplify it. 4y1 is equal to root of x plus 1, x minus 1. Instead of writing this, you can write it x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 upon, ये multiply कर सकते हैं आप, root of x square minus 1. But root of x plus 1 and root of x minus 1, that is given. It is what? 2y. So 4y1 is equal to 2y upon root of x square minus 1. So it is x square minus 1. Now these 2 we cancel and यहाँ पे आ गया 2. So that 2y1 is equal to y upon root of x square minus 1. अभी हम इसको स्क्वायर करेंगे. 4y1 is equal to y square upon this square root will be removed. स्क्वायर क्यों कर रहे हैं? स्क्वायर रूट रिमूव करना है हमको. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन विल गिव अस 4x square minus 1 into y1 is equal to y square. Here is the product of two functions. Then differentiate it again with respect to x, because as we want to get second order derivative. So differentiate it again with respect to x. 4 constant. Then derivative of this x square minus 1 into derivative of y1 is y2 plus y1 as it is, derivative of this is 2x minus 0. This is derivative of the left hand side. ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का डेरिवेटिव हुआ है. राइट हैंड साइड का डेरिवेटिव y स्क्वायर है, तो उसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 2y इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y, दैट इज y1. जहां पे भी here 2y into y1. See, derivative of this is x square minus 1 into y2 plus, then see here we have squared it, so it will be 2y1 square and this y square upon this, which is y1 square. Now this derivative will be 2y1 into y2 derivative, 2y1 into y2 and plus y1 square into derivative of this is this 2x. So this 2 and y1, this 2 and y1, this 2 and y1 we cancel. So what is left over here? 4 x square minus 1 y2, which is 4x square minus 1 y2, then plus x into y1, then is equal to right hand side, which is y. This 4 is multiplied to both the terms, so that after rearranging the terms you will be getting, ये हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेंगे और ये मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो 4x² - 1 into y2, then 4xy1 plus 4xy1, और ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेंगे हम -y is equal to 0. This is the required expression. This we want to show. Now 8th sub question, y is equal to log of x plus root of x² plus a² raised to power n. So log m raised to power n, that we use n log m. So this can be written as, see here, y is equal to log of x plus root of x² plus a² raised to power m. So raised to power m will write m into log of x plus root of x² plus a². This is what y. Now differentiate it. First order derivative will find dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to m constant, derivative of log fx. So derivative of log fx, which is 1 by fx into f dash of x, f dash of x, this is derivative of log fx. So this will be 1 upon x plus root of x² plus a² into derivative of this, into derivative of this, which is 1 plus 1 upon 2 root of x² plus a². Again we are using derivative of root fx. So what is derivative of root fx? Which is 1 by 2 root fx into f dash of x. So we are using these two derivatives. One is derivative of log fx, which is 1 upon fx f dash of x. Another is derivative of root fx, which is 1 by 2 root fx into f dash of x. So 1 upon 2 root fx और f dash of x, मतलब derivative of x² plus a², 2x, and ये constant है, derivative will be 0. This 2 is getting cancelled. Then simplify this bracket term. इसको हम इस टाइप से सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, m अपॉन x प्लस रूट ऑफ x² प्लस a² इंटू एलसीएम होगा रूट ऑफ x² प्लस a², एलसीएम, फिर ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा इधर रूट ऑफ x² प्लस a² एंड प्लस x. सो क्लियरली सेम टर्म आ रहा है आपको न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में, ये दिस विल बी गेटिंग कैंसल्ड and you'll be getting here dy by dx is equal to m upon root of x² plus a², जिसको हम स्क्वायर कर सकते हैं स्क्वायर रूट हटाने के लिए. सो वी विल स्क्वायर इट बोथ साइड्स. सो स्क्वायर बोथ साइड्स, dy by dx whole square is equal to राइट हैंड साइड इज m² अपॉन रूट कैंसिल होगा x² प्लस a² इट इज. ये फिर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन लेते हैं x² प्लस a² इंटू dy by dx होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू m². फिर सिंपली वी डिफरेंशिएट इट अगेन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x एंड कीप इन माइंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ dy by dx whole square. What is derivative of dy by dx whole square? Which is 2 times of dy by dx into वापस इसका डेरिवेटिव d square y by dx square. So we are applying that d dx of dy by dx whole square. So this is u and this is v. derivative of u into v, u derivative of v, v derivative of u, differentiate it again with respect to x, so x square plus a square into derivative of this is 2 dy by dx, as earlier we said, into d square y by dx square, plus dy by dx whole square as it is, into derivative of x square plus a square which is 2x. राइट हैंड साइड इज कांस्टेंट, सो इट्स डेरिवेटिव विल बी 0. अभी हम राइट हैंड साइड 0 है, सो इसलिए 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. फिर एक dy by dx, इधर भी dy by dx है, वो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. सो वी विल बी गेटिंग कैंसिल दिस, वी कैंसिल dy by dx, राइट हैंड साइड इज 0. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट ओवर हियर, बचता है क्या है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर, सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स इंटू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0, एंड दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड टू शो, ये हमको दिखाना है इधर. सो विल बी गेटिंग दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम. नाइन्थ सब क्वेश्चन इज दिस, y इज इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ m cos inverse of x, sin of m cos inverse of x. So we can invert the relation so that ये क्या होगा, sin inverse of y. Solution, we are given here y is equal to sin of m cos inverse of x. Therefore sin inverse of y is equal to this, m cos inverse of x. Differentiating with respect to x, we differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, so derivative of sin inverse is 1 upon root of 1 minus y square, but as we are differentiating it with respect to x, तो वापस dy by dx हमको लिखना होगा. So differentiating it 1 upon root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx, ये लिखना होगा dy by dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x. राइट हैंड साइड में m कांस्टेंट है, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos इनवर्स माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. आप देख सकते हैं दोनों साइड में डिनोमिनेटर में रूट है, तो स्क्वायर रूट हटाने के लिए आपको स्क्वायर करना होगा. सो इट इज 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इंटू dy by dx होल स्क्वायर. राइट हैंड साइड भी m स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो जस्ट टेक क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, सो 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू dy by dx होल स्क्वायर is equal to m square into 1 minus y square. अभी इसमें प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शंस है, सो वी डिफरेंशिएट इट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x अगेन, डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x अगेन 1 minus x square into derivative of this 2 dy by dx into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square into derivative of 1 minus x square which is minus 2x. Right hand side m square, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. See here 2 cancel from the right both sides. हम dy by dx भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. ये देखो dy by dx, ये dy by dx, ये dy by dx. सो हमारे पास क्या बचता है, 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर d square y by dx square, माइनस साइन इज देयर, दिस माइनस साइन, x बचता है और एक dy by dx. राइट हैंड साइड is minus sign m square और y is left. अभी लास्ट में ये खाली इधर लेफ्ट में लेना है, सो दैट यू विल गेट द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डी स्क्वायर वाई बाय डी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स डी वाई बाय डी एक्स एंड प्लस m square y is equal to 0. So you will be getting the required expression. Question number 10. Y is equal to log 2x. We show that x y2 y1 and here it is y1. So y1 means derivative, first derivative dy by dx. So write the given expression, solution. Given expression is y is equal to log 2x, derivative of log fx 1 upon fx f dash of x, y1 differentiating with respect to x, y1 this derivative is 1 upon log of 2x into derivative of log 2x which is 1 upon 2x, again derivative of 2x it is 2. This 2 is getting cancelled and y1 is equal to 1 by x into log of 2x. 1 by x into log of 2x. This x we take in the left hand side. Cross multiplication will give us this is equal to 1 upon log 2x. This can be written as log 2x raised to power minus 1, so that x y1 is equal to log 2x raised to power minus 1. Now this expression we differentiate it again with respect to x. इसको हम वापस डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड प्रोडक्ट है u डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v, v डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y1 is y2, so differentiate it again with respect to x, so that x into y2 plus y1 into x derivative is 1, which is right hand side is what, minus raised to power minus 1, so fx raised to power n, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव का n that is minus 1 into log of 2x raised to power minus 2, वापस इसका डेरिवेटिव log 2x का डेरिवेटिव, तो log 2x का डेरिवेटिव होगा 1 upon 2x into 2, और you will write it into derivative of log 2x, which is this minus sign is there, this will be in denominator, this will go in denominator log of 2x whole square, और इसका डेरिवेटिव हम फाइंड करेंगे 1 by 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. This 2 is getting cancelled. What is left over here? X y2 plus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon log 2x whole square. Denominator is 1 upon x. Look at this expression y1. What is our y1? Our y1 is 1 upon x log 2x. इसको हम अगर x से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, सो इट विल गिव अस x अपॉन माइनस साइन इज देयर, x स्क्वायर into log of 2x whole square, which is minus x upon x log 2x whole square. 1 upon x log 2x whole square. So 1 upon x log 2x is equal to y1. So ये y1 square होगा. Therefore our left hand side is x y2 plus y1 is equal to minus x into 1 upon x log 2x whole square, and this expression is nothing but y1, so it will be minus x y1 square. खाली हमको ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेना है, x y2 plus y1 plus x y1 square is equal to 0. फिर इसमें से ये दो टर्म में से हम y1 कॉमन लेते हैं। तो अगर y1 कॉमन लेते हैं तो 1 प्लस एक्स y1, दिस एक्सप्रेशन वी विल गेट। सो देयरफॉर एक्स y2 प्लस y1 कॉमन 1 प्लस एक्स y1 is equal to 0. So which is the given expression? This is to be shown x y2, ये हमको दिखाना है x y2 y1 into 1 plus x y1 is equal to 0.